Today we're going to be making garlic butter shrimp pasta. Need I say more? Let's do this. The first step is to prepare your shrimp. So wash and drain your shrimp, add it to a bowl, and then add the fragrant zest of 1 bitter orange and 1 lime. Add salt and fresh cracked pepper. Give everything a good toss to combine. Now it's time to juice the lime. So you can strain your juice using a strainer or do the easy method and just use your hand to catch the seeds. Bitter orange has a very prominent taste, so you just want a tiny squeeze. Slice your garlic cloves into slivers and halve the tomatoes. To your pan, add your olive oil, butter and garlic. Allow everything to cook on a low heat. Increase the temperature and you're going to see the butter, garlic and olive oil mixture get nice and bubbly. As the garlic cooks, it will soften and you can easily take the back of your spoon and smush on some of the cloves, releasing extra garlic flavour. Our citrus juice goes in next, and immediately the entire mixture emulsifies into deliciousness. Add the shrimp, add the fresh basil, and next in pasta water. Now if you want to read all about pasta water and its usefulness in cooking, head on over to the website ameliadoesdinner.com. As soon as your shrimp turn pink, you want to turn the heat off, then add your tomatoes and your spinach. Toss everything well. Taste the sauce and adjust for salt and pepper. Add your pasta and give everything a good stir to combine. And there you have it, gorgeous, delicious garlic butter shrimp pasta.